Scan for Sovi and straight A's only. Let's go!
For Part A, we use the fundamental theorem of calculus and geometric area properties. Det. Since the area of region R is given as 12, g of -6 equals -12. Height 2 yielding 4. Then g of 6 equals g of 4 plus the integral from 4 to 6 of f of t dt, which is 4 plus 1/2 times 2. 0 is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to sex. The graph shows that f of x is defined everywhere and f of x equals 0. Great job working through that. Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.